In this video, I'll guide you through how to stop the Steam Client Webhelper from running in the background. If you've ever noticed your computer slowing down while running Steam, it might be because of the Steam Client Webhelper. This feature, while useful for many of Steam's web-based functionalities, can sometimes consume more resources than you'd like, especially if you're trying to optimize your system's performance. To start, you'll first need to open the Steam app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and that Steam is fully loaded. If you're not familiar with this, it's the main platform where you access your games, community features, and the Steam store. Having it open is essential because we're going to address the Webhelper from within this environment. Next, let's bring up the Task Manager, which is a feature in Windows that allows you to see what programs and processes are currently running on your computer. To do this, press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This combination of keys is a shortcut that will bring up a menu with several options, including the Task Manager. Once you see this menu, go ahead and click on Task Manager to open it. With the Task Manager open, you'll see a list of processes that are running on your computer. This list is typically divided into sections such as apps, background processes, and Windows processes. What we're interested in here is the Steam Client Webhelper. Scroll through the list and look for it under the Background Processes section. It might appear with multiple instances, which is normal as Steam uses several Webhelper processes to manage its web content. Once you've located the Steam Client Webhelper, the next step is to stop it from running. To do this, click on it to highlight it. You should notice the End Task button becoming clickable in the bottom right corner of the Task Manager window. Clicking End Task will immediately stop the Webhelper process. This action effectively closes down the parts of Steam that rely on web-based processes, which should reduce the resource usage on your computer. It's important to note that ending this task might affect some of Steam's functionalities, such as the in-game overlay or browsing the store. However, if you're primarily using Steam for gaming and not browsing or community features, ending the Webhelper task can help improve your computer's performance. If you find that the Steam Client Webhelper continues to restart, or if you need to use Steam's web features again, simply restart the Steam app. This will reinitiate all of its processes, including the Webhelper. It's a quick way to get everything back to normal if needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can manage the Steam Client Webhelper to ensure your computing resources are used more efficiently. This can be especially helpful if you're trying to squeeze out every bit of performance from your machine for a better gaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you optimize your system while using Steam. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on managing your software and hardware.